Ang mga supporters ni dating Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte ay dapat magpasalamat.
Mr. President, and you show me a piece of paper and you ask me to go with you?
At matuwa sa ICC dahil ginrad nito ang wish ng kanilang idolo.
The ICC to hurry up, and if possible they can come here and start the investigation tomorrow. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal ma'am, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. So I'm asking the ICC through you na magpunta na sila dito bukas, umpisahan na nilang investigation. And if I am found guilty, I will go to prison and rot there for all time.
Natakot siguro ang ICC na baka magalit sa kanila si Presidente Duterte, kaya ginawa na kaagad, ayan, hinuli na siya. Accomplish na sir ang iyong request according to your wish. May rhyme ah. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share, and thank you for watching.